Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I am here today to do a reveal of an incoming fall is in the air swap with MsFunKREations. You know her as Lady Kre, FunKREations on YouTube, and MsFunKREations on Instagram. Hello, sweet sis. So I was so excited. I forgot to actually pack up my envelope. She created a little scene here, and this created such excitement when I picked up my my package at my P.O. box. So thank you so much for taking the time to decorate. So cute. And when I opened it up, here is a little box of goodness. Lady Kre is so sneaky because she had shared with me some of the roles, and the challenge was to create a list of things that you put in this $8 priority mailbox. I cheated too, and I upgraded her box as well. I didn't do a box, but I did pack it in a bigger envelope for her. So thank you very much. I am really touched. I actually love owls. Owls are my favorite mysterious spirit animal. And this is such a cute, super duper cute paper pack. I believe she mentioned in her video, because I did watch her video before opening up this package, because I was at the gym and I couldn't wait until I got home to open up this package, so I got a sneak peek. And I was delighted to see all the goodies that you sent to me, Lady Kre. So this is how she packaged up her box, and it's just so cute. This is a little banner that she created with stickers, and it opens up. Ooh, bold faith. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Hebrew 11:1 NKJV. Sis, no matter what trial you face, let your faith work for you. Sis Kre. Oh, this is so touching. I'm going to keep this by my desk. So whenever I have something challenging or something that I'm being tested for, I will always remember that I will have bold faith, that everything will always work out, right? Thank you so much for that. You have to go and check out MsFunKREations channel, because she's always so vivacious. Her laughter is so contagious. I love her energy. It's always very positive, and she makes the most amazing handmade with love cards as well as projects. So you have to go and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already done so. So let me open up this little card. And I love the colors. Faith, it does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Luke 1:37. A beautiful card. Thank you. Sis, I pray you like what I created for you. Absolutely, definitely. Thank you. And you are an amazing sister and friend. I love you, Sis Kre. 2019. I love it. Thank you. That warms my heart. Beautiful. I'm gonna put this to the side here, and this as well. And look at these little cute little pumpkins. It's all in the details, and this is so super cute. I love the packaging, and it makes such a difference. Crafty like a fox. I love this packaging. pretty little packaging makes my heart happy. And ooh, this is a very, very extra special doily because it's like a cloth fabric. It's not paper, it's a cloth. I love it. And this is a little foxy. I love foxes. Beautiful. And this is the sweet treat. Thank you so much. I love Reese's Pieces. And I'm going to take this with me. I'm going on a plane ride abroad, and I'm going to take this with me, and I'm going to enjoy it. 10,000 miles high up in the air as I get to my destination, because I love peanut butter and chocolate. The combination of peanut butter and chocolate makes me go cray cray. So thank you for the sweet treat. Ooh, I did see this in the gym, so I'm going to open this up. Sorry for the crinkling. This is a beautiful dangle. Absolutely gorgeous. It's on it looks like a cat scrappiness little tag. And it's on this beautiful bow. It's a brass bow. And look at all the little dangle bits. The owl is precious. The rustic heart. The leaf. Beautiful intricate leaf. And another little acrylic clear leaf. Ooh, this cute, tiny, tiny, itsy bitsy little gemstone dangle, as well as a key. Beautiful little bling piece on the top. And this is absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful owl, and there's like an apricot gemstone on top of her belly. It's gorgeous. Thank you. Another little dangle piece. It's like a glass bead dangle, as well as the little feather. This is so intricate and gorgeous. I can't wait to put it on my little traveler's notebook. This is gorgeous. Thank you. I absolutely love it, and I will cherish it. So thank you, Miss Lady Kre. Thank you. How cute are these clips? These are my favorite colors. And bling it up for me, because I love anything with glitter on them. Thank you for these extra pieces of goodness. Beautiful little organza bag, and inside she's created, oh, how cute is this little apothecary little jar of goodness. This is like a shaker mix of gorgeous fall colors, all the classic fall colors that we all love. Beautiful. And I see a little butterfly dangle on the top. Thank you. Thank you for sharing these with me. I will definitely try to see if I can make a shaker card for Thanksgiving. We're having our Thanksgiving dinner at my house this year. And so this will definitely be a very sweet addition to our fall little corner. I usually have a little corner of goodies for the family, for the fam bam. And this is a beautiful card. I love the enamel dots. It looks like it's like the enamel dots are actually part of, I wonder if that is part of like a glimmer, not a glimmer, like the dewdrops. They are perfect. Love that. And look at the perfect bow. And I think she a wink of Stellaed it up. You can't really see too much, but maybe you're able to make it out. There's lots of glitter on the gingham little leaf. I love her handmade with love cards. And I love how you just layer. I don't usually layer the top, the flip side, but I love how clean it looks. I love it. Thank you so much, Lady Kre. And here is an accompanying 3x3 envelope. Thank you. Beautiful. Here is another handmade with love card. And let me open it up so I don't show you the glare. Sorry for the crinkling. This one is this is a beautiful font die cut. It says "Give Thanks," and it's on glitter, a beautiful brown glitter cardstock. This is gorgeous. You have to go to her channel. I know that she uploaded it probably last week, last Friday or Saturday. I don't remember. I think Friday. And you have to go to her channel so you can check out all the details on how she made this card and the tools that she used to create this card. Beautiful. I love the sticker embellishment in the corner, and then that extra texture of the button, as well as the ribbon. I forget the name of this type of ribbon, but it's absolutely a gorgeous card using all of the fun fall colors. I'm gonna put this right here. And then, ooh, thanks a latte. How cute is this die? Pumpkin spice and everything nice. That is such a cute little coffee cup die. So cute. I love the envelope too. Oh, wow. It's like heart-shaped, and you can just open it up. Oh, thank you. Oh, that is so super sweet. A little Starbucks card. Ooh, thank you, thank you. Oh, you're too sweet. Thank you for the extra goodie. I really, really appreciate it. And I will grab myself a cup of nice pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks. So thank you so much. And these are some embellishments that she created from her Create a Critter. I love the pumpkins. I have to pull out my Cricut a lot more often because I'm not utilizing it as much as I'd like. And here are the 3 little enamel dots, the little stickers from the Echo Park paper pack that she used. And I loved how she used the bag topper, and the background that she used is so cute. I just love the flow and the contrast of these beautiful embellishments. That is such a lovely detailed die. This is such a beautiful little dress die. How cute. Beautiful, beautiful. And the top says Autumn Day. Sorry for the glare. This is a little confetti piece that I'll definitely use as some table scatter. So, so pretty. Thank you. Ooh. And this is another goodie. Thank you so much for spoiling me with all these fun goodies. And here's another little coffee cup die. How pretty. I love the copper top on this coffee top. I love it. And it says thankful for you. Oh, and look, there's the stamp. It's from My Creative Time. There is always something to be thankful for. That's for sure. We definitely have to be grateful for the things in our life that we've been able to accomplish, that we should be proud of, that we should remind ourselves daily. That's for sure. This is a beautiful sticker set. Sweater weather. Give thanks. Happy harvest. Thanks and family. I love the fonts on this. Ooh, look at these like 3-dimensional pumpkin gemstones. How cute. Thank you so much. I love all of my goodies. And look at the shred. Ooh, and she enclosed 2 rose gold straws that I can use to create like a wand. And all of this wonderful shred. And here's like a little leaf die cut and the little pilgrim hats. How cute. Little acorns. This is darling. And of course a wood-grained pen. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lady Kre. I definitely am feeling blessed with all of these goodies. Thank you for taking the time to create all of these wonderful fall related handmade with love cards, handmade with love goodies. I will not hoard them. I promise that. I promise you that. I will showcase them at my dinner table, and I will definitely use these for these embellishments to share and gift to my family a couple of sweet treats as well. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much, Lady Kre. I heart you. Big hugs, and I appreciate our swap. I look forward to our next swap. Wink, wink. Next year, 2020, it's going to be a big year. And so I definitely give thanks to our wonderful friendship. And please go ahead and jump over to her channel, because you will definitely be inspired by all of her beautiful creations. Thanks again. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.